How do you find great suppliers for your e-commerce, Amazon, direct to consumer, whatever you're selling business? Well, turns out it's actually pretty easy if you know what to do. And in this video, I'm going to give you a foolproof way of finding great suppliers for your business. Now, if you like this kind of information where I'm helping you build your own DTC e-commerce business, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. It would mean the world to me. And I'd also know, hey, you like this, you want more like this, let me do more like that for you. So you'll get to vote on what you like. And by the way, press that little subscribe button just there because I post brand new money making information just like this each and every day. And if you've got any questions for me, comment below. I'm going to answer them personally for you too. With that being said, let's go. So this is something I revisit every now and again. I thought it'd be kind of cool to revisit it for you, how you go about finding supplies for your product. It's also something that's currently on my mind because I'm currently in the process of teaching this advanced sourcing secrets course. So I thought it'd be kind of neat to do something like that. Anyway, so here's a very simple way to find suppliers. One of many, but this is applicable, I think, for most people. So here we are with a potential product that you might be interested in. Notice there are no scantily clad females on this particular image. This is a grass shear and shrubbery trimmer by a company called Great Star Tools. Okay, so if I was wanting to source something like this from a great supplier, here's what I would go and do. So step number one, over here where it says sold by, that's where you want to focus on here. So this is the actual company, Work Pro. Wonder if it's going to be them. So we come down. Here's the seller information. Okay. This is Great Star Industrial USA LLC. So now we know that is a company based in the USA that's selling this product on Amazon. So next up would be to go to Import Yeti, and go and do a search for the company name. So there's two ways of doing it. You can either try searching for the brand name. So in that particular instance, that was Work Pro. Work Pro. You can try that as a search in Import Yeti, or more often than not, you want to go to here, find the actual details of the company, and from there you can then typically, if they're importing a product into the USA, you'll find them on Import Yeti. Okay, so this was good for finding companies outside of the company that's selling the product. So they're importing basically, hence the Import Yeti. So here they are, Great Star Industrial USA, Great Star Industrial USA, that's them right there. And we know that here are their number 5 top suppliers for their particular product. Hangswao Great Star Industrial, that sounds interesting. Zhaijing Guangzhou Robotics, notice my impeccable pronunciation. Hong Kong Great Star International, and TGH Cambodia Industrial. So they're importing loads, and they've got a total of 1,800 shipments. Okay, so if I click on those, here's one I clicked on earlier. You can now see exactly who they are importing from, how often they're importing, and details of the actual imports that are happening as well, which is solid gold information and will absolutely fast track your sourcing process. Oftentimes, if a company does the right thing, is that if a factory does the right thing by its the company that's importing, then the factory will continue to get business. Yeah, that just makes sense. And these factories stay in business for a long time. And that's what you're looking for. You're looking for a factory that's been around for a while, is being used over and over again because they're providing good quality products. Okay, that's what you want to be focused on, good quality products. So here's a simple way of doing that. And that's all the stuff along with the HS codes that are being imported. Okay, so here's that one there. Hangswell, Great Start Industrial. And you can now see all of their shipment information. And you can also see who else they're selling to as well. So we can now see that Walmart are buying from this factory. That bodes well. LG Sourcing, never heard of them. Arrow Fastener, Southwire, blah, blah, blah. Walgreens, again in the United States, selling or ordering from this particular factory, okay? So that tells you that this is a good factory. You should put this on your list of potential suppliers for your hedge shearer product, okay? That's a great way of finding companies like that. That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the direct-to-consumer entrepreneurs that I am proud to be a part of their journey. Now, if you would like to find out more and find out why 2,500 people are in our amazing community with millions of dollars of sales, then you can check out the link below. The link is in this description, and you can come and find out more about what we do. Now, don't forget subscribing, that little button just down there, to this YouTube channel, because we've got great content coming out all the time to help you build your own direct-to-consumer business. E-commerce entrepreneurs are welcome. See you next time.